Quick video here on how to change thread on an industrial machine really quick. You have your two threads in your thread doohickey thingy here. Just snip it off like that. Take the two, tie them together real quick. Pull it out of the needle, press the presser foot, leave it through all the rest of it, pull it all the way through. Make sure it's snug and fully in the tension plate. Keep it fresh so you don't have that little knot there, just in case it's there. And voila, change the bobbin thread, and you got a different thread color like that.